You with me?
Sure.
So, let me make sure I'm writing. And let's start with number 1. What did step number 1 tell us to do?
Place them in order from
Put the numbers in order. Will you please put the numbers in order on your paper while I put the numbers in order on my iPad? Do you have the same order that I do?
Yes.
Great. Let's go to step 2. What is step 2?
Find the range.
Find the range. Would somebody raise your hand, please, and tell me what I would do to find the range? Joshua?
24 minus 13.
24 minus 13 equals
11.
11, which equals the range. We always want to label the number so I don't have to guess what it is. The range is 11.
There's 5 steps.
What does step 3 ask me for? The median. Could somebody please, and I'm going to write it first, median. Could somebody please raise your hand and tell me what the median is? Lauren, what's the median?
16.
16. How'd you get it?
I cut down from each one, so it'd be 24, 13, 19, 14, 18, 15, and 16 is the middle.
Great, let's circle it. We always want to circle the median so we know not to include it in our LQ or UQ. What does step 4 ask for? The LQ? How do we find the LQ? Amanda?
Subtract 15, subtract 13 from 15.
Not yet. How do we find the LQ? No subtracting
We
yet.
find the median of the lower numbers.
The LQ is the median of the lower set of numbers. So what are my lower set of numbers?
13, 14,
13, 14, and 15. What is the median of that set?
14.
14. The LQ is 14, so let's put an arrow above it. Step number 5 asks me to find the UQ. Somebody raise your hand and tell me how to find the UQ and what it is. Hamza?
The median of the higher numbers is 19.
Perfect. It is 19. So I put an arrow. Step 6 asks me to find the IQR. How do I find the I? First of all, what does the IQR stand for?
Interquartile.
Interquartile range. How do I find the IQR?
Subtract 14.
Subtract what?
14 and
The
19.
upper-
Subtract what?
19 and 14.
Thank you. 19 minus 14, which equals 5. Since I've run out of room, I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to put step 7 up here.
Oh.
What is step 7? Look for what?
Outliers.
Outliers. What is the first thing I have to do to look for outliers?
5 by 1.5.
1.5.
Multiply 5 times 1.5, which is what? 7.5. Am I done?
No.
No. So now what do I do? Avery?
Your upper quartile, and you add 7.5 to it.
Great. UQ plus 7.5. And what was the UQ? 19 plus 7.5 equals what?
68.
What?
No, 26.5.
26.5. Do I have any numbers that are bigger than 26.5?
No.
So I'm going to under here write no outlier up there. And I'll draw a squiggly. Now I need to see if there are any lower outliers. What do I do there? Price? Bryce?
Let's do
If I'm looking for the lower outliers, what do I do, Nikki?
Never mind.
David?
19 minus 7.
Not 19.
14.
I've already used the UQ. Now I need to use the
7.5 minus 14.
David? I used the UQ. I used the upper quartile. So now I need to use the LQ. LQ minus 7.5. What is the LQ?
14.
What is 14 minus 7.5?
6.5.
6.5. Do I have any numbers that are less than 6.5 in my list?
No.
No. So I have no outliers. End of that one. Are we good? Are we getting this?
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you again. We're going to do exactly the same stuff on Tuesday, but we're going to take these numbers